Hey, this is Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials, the Legit PC and the Legit Mobile. I was able to turn my fan down to the lowest setting, so that's actually what I'm going to keep it at. That should keep everything. So I could run that fan. It's going to provide very little noise and going to be very easy to talk over, and should keep it a little bit cooler. I could kind of feel the breeze on my neck right now, so that's good. So it seems that I need this one and one other video to be caught up. I'm thinking I'm going to shoot the other video tomorrow because it would already be 12:30, and I plan on hitting the sack before then. So this video might be a little bit shorter than the other ones because I want to do a little bit some Googling and stuff before I hit the sack, and maybe a quick video game or something before then. And also some time to upload these videos because I'm uploading a 48-minute video game review right now, and within the next 12 minutes it should be done. So then this guy will go up. So apparently this stuff right here, the Free Sound, supposedly that's a pretty good website, and it has a very large base to get stuff from. So I basically, on the break there, I created an account. I found that heavy breathing that we went over before, and now I'm going to download it and see what happens. And again, if you don't remember, this was heavy breathing. It's an 8-second clip. So that's really good. I like it. So let's download it, see what happens. Okay, it just saves, and it's saving as a wave. Good deal. It's downloading right now. Let's jump to file location. Let's call it heavy breathing. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop it inside of our project and add some more sound assets here, working on, of course, Zombie Alamo. Hopefully you guys understood that earlier, that we are still working on this guy. So let's go ahead and drop this guy in. So another thing also that we found out is that we could attach multiple of these audio sources to itself. So that's probably what the audio.get audio source was. Here is that it says audio source, my audio source, and then this get component from the game object. So, but we would add multiple audio sources. So I'm not sure, but this is basically the player. My idea again is to create an array of sounds, so we could give that a try as well. Is to create various sounds for the player. The weapon that they're using, and the zombies, and the environment. And then have each of those attached to each of the characters and follow those characters around. And then when that character, or basically have an array of these different audio tracks in there, and each time something happens, another audio track plays. So let's see, can we put multiple soundtracks in here? Put multiple. Now we can't hold control, so it looks like that does not work. Interesting. So let's see, can we create an array of some type? That might be something that we're going to have to look at online to see if we can put multiple in there. Because it does not look like we could do so. So let's go in here, let's create a new one. 3D object, audio source. And this audio source is going to use our heavy breathing. And we do not want it to play on awake. And then pretty much what's going to happen is when the character is below a certain number, he's going to start heavily breathing. So let's go ahead and open up the Visual Studio. And let's go into, I believe it's character game controller here. I think. Oh, stamina. Wait. Controller. Okay, this gotta be in here then. Because I had one where stamina refresh. Where is the thing that won't let our stamina go below 45? Oh, that has to be in Fire Axe then. Where is it? Anyways, maybe that, like, I forgot that or something. I think it's actually okay if we let it go down below 45. Because now we have it where it'll only does. So I won't let it go below 45. But where is that script? 45. Oh, stamina. Stamina in. Okay. Oh, stamina min, okay. Stamina. Okay. Stamina is greater than stamina min. And then here we're going to say if stamina, let's say it was less than 60. Is less than 60, then we want him to start panting. And then this is going to be different for each weapon, right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to have that another audio source, public audio source, pant, and we're going to do pant.play. Pant. Where does that play? Swoosh, swoosh. Where is it? Oh, right there. Okay, now here's the question. Can we get it to loop until it stops? And then we're going to have an else. Stamina is greater than 60, or an else here. Else. I'm going to assume pant.stop. So let's see here. What does it say in the API here? Yeah, so it's right here. Play with something and stop. So why am I putting 0? There's no 0 there. Oh, that's the audio source. That's this. This was the one I was looking at. Okay, so play, stop, pause, whatever. So dot play else pant dot stop 0. Oh, that's a delay. What's in there? That's what that is, delay in milliseconds. Okay, so let's see if this will work. So basically what we want it to do is we're going to go in here, audio source, do not play, but we want it to loop. We want it to keep going. And then when it hits that stop, it should completely cease that. Once, oh yeah, it's looking for that audio source, so we want it on the fire axe. But this is a player sound, so it's not quite the best, but I guess multiple things could reference to it. It's not really that big of an issue, but I really wanted it to be swoosh. No overload for method stop takes one argument. Okay, so probably stop is saying down there stop does not take an argument, so probably not supposed to have that 0 there because the 0 is a delay. So let's see if it likes that. There we go, clear. Okay, so player sound, drop it in here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, now let's try it. So again, we have to drop below 60. Let's see if it just goes or if it actually plays the full audio. Let's see. Oh man, it's gonna take us a while to get down there, but we're getting there. One more. Okay, so what I'm thinking is that it's this start. It's got a heavy, long start, I think. So what we're going to have to do is, let's go ahead and open it in Audacity. And let's edit it there and cut the beginning out of it. So let's go here, File, Open. And let's go into over here, PC, Downloads, or Quick Access. Heavy breathing.wave. Copy the file. And then we could have So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm going to delete half of this. And I'm going to delete the other half of this. So it kind of loops into each other there. That's what I'm thinking. File, save at, export audio. And don't want it to go into Ava's game. Want to just go into downloads. This is going to be heavy breathing shortened. Short. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now let's go into quick access, heavy breathing short, boom, 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 drop, drag and drop, discard, no, don't want to say project, heavy breathing, player sounds, heavy breathing shortened, wait. Okay, so now let's hear our hard work here. Okay, so we turn loop on. The spacing there is a little, because you could hear that it like kind of slows down. So the pacing is not quite right, so you kind of tell that it gets faster, it goes fast and slow, and then goes faster again. So you can tell it's looping. It's not like somebody's doing it over and over and over again, so that might need a little bit more work, but that's okay for right now. So let's go here, and then this is what we came from. So it's about a whole second, and in the game, a whole second's really long. Yeah, that beginning was not good. So that's good. So this is the short. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a heavy breathing import. So get rid of that. Heavy breathing short. Good. Okay, so let's get down there again. And what I do want to do is let's drop that zombie sound down a little bit. Let's say 75%. Is that even working? It is working. And also the swing, I think eventually will get kind of annoying too, so let's drop the swing also. Fire axe down, let's drop that down also to 3 something. Oh, we need a little bit more punch from the fire axe. Okay. Oh, let's get down to 60%. Speaking of which, before we do that, let's go ahead and shrink this. We definitely don't need that big. And we definitely don't need that big. That could be that big. There we go. Oops. So let's play the game as well. Obviously, we're not going to pick any drops because we want it to go below. Every time I swing, it's changing it. That's strange. Oh, interesting. So basically what we see here is that every time it fires, it goes in here and does something. So pretty much it's going to do that until I hit fire again. So let's cut this. And we're going to place it in the update. Because we don't want it to be held behind that increase. Stand back, zombies. Okay. So maybe a trigger that we could do is that once it goes below, it starts. Because what I think is keep going through here and keeps playing. So this is not... Oh, I don't know if I showed you guys. If I cut it, basically I cut it from here. So it's under this fire button. So every time I left click, it'll do it. But I don't want it to left click because once it goes back over 60, it won't see that it went back over 60. So what I'm going to do is I moved it right here underneath the update. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out. And obviously when you fire, it's going to decrease your stamina. So that at that point, that's when it's going to go below 60. And then once it goes above 60, but now we have to go here and we say if stamina is greater than 60, then do this. Then pant.stop. And if it's at 60, it's going to go on for a second and then go away. So that's fine. And then let's go ahead and make sure everything's good here. So go in here, compile. Okay, good. Still think the zombies are a little loud, but that's okay. Okay, so what I also get, because basically what happens is every time I fire, it's replaying this. So what I need to do is also lock this out with another variable, pant playing equals 0. And then once it does this, then pant playing equals 0, pant playing equals 1, and then here pant playing equals 0. Okay, so now let's give that a shot. So basically now it's going to lock it out. So that way it doesn't... So basically what happens is every time I fire, it's going in and it's replaying the audio track, which is not what I want it to do. So... Oh, it's got that weird sound. That weird sound, I think, is... I think that weird sound is part of the spin. Cool. Okay, so that's going to be playing in the background for a while, so let's go ahead and drop that sound down to about... Really, I should be dropping that during gameplay, so... And then figure it out later, so let's go ahead and drop the stamina down. And then we need some zombie impact sounds, so I think that's what we need. And that bass sound, I believe, is the fire axe. I believe. It's just in the background, just so you kind of feel it tickling down the spine, I guess, later levels. Oh, wow, it's really kind of bumpy there. Because theoretically, once they get low on stamina, he's going to be approaching death, pretty much. And it goes away, perfect. It's working good. Whoa, 9 zombies? Die. So now we need a character hurt, so we could get some feedback, and then maybe this turns red or something like that. Also, obviously we need to load test this thing to see what happens if we have so many zombies in there. But I do like the I was thinking zombie death, but it might get a little annoying that you keep hearing that every time you kill them. Maybe a quick like ooh, and then that's it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So even if it sounds multiple times, it's okay. So I might even record that right now and put it in the game to show you guys how to use Audacity to record something really quick and put it in the game. Which is just a simple pant. Ow. I'm trying to think of what I would want the character's hurt to be. So let's go ahead and look at something that might be from FreeCloud. Free sound, sorry. Pain, help, hurt. Let me see.
Oh!
Oh, that sounded really good. Or even that. These are really good. No, that is big. Or that one.
Oh!
You know what? I like each of these. This one. That's not. Holy Jesus. Okay, so let's download a couple of these and upload them, because what I would like is to have it be randomized so it's not the same sound all the time. Not that, obviously.
Oh.
Let's download that one and get rid of the end, and you can kind of hear that it's got this little weird thing at the end, but whatever. So that's hurt. What is this? This is a good one. This is probably what we're going to start with. That's half a second. OGG. Oh, I don't know if we're going to be able to download that one. What the? Or even that one. Let's see. Let's see if we can do the OGG. So that looks pretty good. Let's see what it says for zombie sounds. That's pretty good. Okay, so because we need something to show that the zombie got hit. Ooh, just like a ooh. So maybe, and that needs to be fraction of a second, just barely anything. So let's see here. Let's add the 2 players and then we'll record that, or let's add player getting hurt. So let's say 3D object, audio source, player hurt. Rename player hurt. And at the end, we're going to add all these into each of the different characters or different things that they need to be on. So let's see here. Let's go in here. And I like the male hurt OGG, but let's see if it works. Oh, we probably should rename it. We're going to call him, this is the groundskeeper hurt .ogg. I'm going to do that. Groundskeeper hurt .ogg. And then we're going to drop in that one. And drop in that one. And just keep it in there. We can change the name later on. Okay, so those are the 2 there, and then we have groundskeeper hurt here. So player hurt, and we're going to put groundskeeper hurt here, audio clip. Let's listen here. That's great. Perfect. Okay, so now I believe that is in zombie. Oh, and then everything, do not play on awake. And the other one, looping. Looping worked just how I would have imagined it working, so that's good. So I think that's under character controller. Oh, I think that's under zombie. Let me Kleiner. Oh, right here. So let's play that sound. So audio player public audio source let's call this hurt sound, and then hurt sound dot play play 0 delay. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I did everything from memory. Oh, uppercase play. Uppercase P and play, by the way. Uppercase P and play. Okay, so let's see here. Player. And it looks like we did every possible mistake on empty statement. Nothing's a problem here. 1 second. Interesting. So, I mean, it says it's working fine here. It's saying that it might have an issue playing it, so we'll see. Okay, so heavy breathing, blah, 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 player hurt. Okay, so now, and that is under character controller? Character controller. So I believe that's under player. Hurt sound. And we want to grab player hurt. Hurt sound audio source. So now let's see what happens. Oh, his health didn't go all the way down. That's weird. Wait a second, why did I do that? Oh, because he deleted it himself, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this and have this also update here as well. So pretty much every time, and that's going to be very little resources because that's only happening when you get hit and you only have 2 lives. So. But it's going to update that you have 0 health left. 1. There we go. Perfect. Fix that. Okay, so we got that. So now let's record something from the zombie getting hit. So we're going to say, ooh. Or like something low, ooh, ooh. But it's got to be very, very fast. Okay, let's go in here. Let's make a sound here, and I'm going to record and then stop it as quickly as I can. What's the stopping key? Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna take that and delete everything else. Ooh. It'll work for now. Okay. Zombie hit sound. Okay. No. And let's go in here. Zombie hit sound. Boom, boom, boom. Flip that. One last one. Audio source. Zombie hit. So now I believe that's in Fire Axe. So one last one. If tag. Where's tag? Oh no, I think that's actually in zombie. Yeah, axe is. Okay, so this is going to go to zombie. Audio source. Zombie hit. This is zombie hit. Ooh. It's okay. It's not the best thing in the world, but hey, it was, you know. Okay, so now we have that. So let's go in here. This is under zombie, and let's do audio source. Public audio source. Zombie hit sound. And then here, if zombie hit life minus minus, so we're going to say zombie hit sound dot play 0. Let's go ahead and save all. Go back in here, and we'll plug it in under. Ooh, but this is under the zombie preset here. Right there. Zombie hit. Do all of these have to be This might have to be public static. Now it should be. Oh, but once you do static, you can't. Interesting. What if we just add the component here? So let's just add a component. Audio. Audio source. Let's see if it'll let us add that clip. Let's copy and paste it here. Let's see, copy. Or we could just go and drop it in there. It's not that big of an issue. There we go. So this dot get component, this dot get component. This dot get component. Oops. Okay, so let's see this dot. Okay, so that's basically what we need to do. This dot get component sprite render. But in this case, it's audio source. And then so we don't need this. This dot get component audio source plays 0. Okay. Now theoretically this works. Let's see, we might need to go to the API, get component. Oh, game object. It's just gonna have to be game object. This dot game object, maybe. Oops, wrong button. Oh, okay. So basically what happens is, what I'm missing is this at the end. Yeah, I think that's what I'm missing. What? Oh, get rid of the game object part. Get rid of the game object part. Take it. Take it. Yes. Okay. So play. Okay. Make sure that it. Let's go back to that prefab. Make sure that's not looping. And we are way over time. We're at 40 minutes here, but that's okay. Assets, zombie prefab. Make sure it's not playing on awake, and make sure it's not looping. Good deal. And then this, we're probably going to want to drop the audio because I think my mic's really loud. So let's go ahead and try that and make sure that this works. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the prefab, make sure it's there. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, it looks there. All right, good deal. Okay, so pretty much what it's doing. So, I mean, we really don't need it the second time, but it would be nice to have it the second time because basically right after the first time it deletes itself. So that's a little unfortunate. But anyways, audio source play. I think it's fine for right now. Let's see if it. Let's try it one time. It's like a slight delay. I think it's because there actually does look to be a delay in there. Sorry about that. But that might have to be something that we fix next time. So that is it for this weekend. I'll probably shoot another one tomorrow, and then we'll all be caught up with Construct 3. So then every weekend it's just going to be one. So the only exception is obviously tomorrow, and then I do actually am going on vacation next weekend. So Construct 3 and Unity here will be double the next weekend. We'll shoot 2 videos. All right, so thank you. And also I have a couple other things where I'm leaving Thursday, so then I'll shoot some other videos as well. So this has been Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials, the Legit PC and the Legit Mobile. Thank you guys for watching my intermediate Unity tutorial on Zombie Alamo. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.